Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge IGCSE May-June 2023 paper 2. 1 hour 30 minutes is the time and instructions you all know that. Before we start, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Also press the like button if you like the video, and I will wait for your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for your support. So let's start. Let's see the first question number 1 that we have here. We have the shape. Complete the statement. The diagram has rotational symmetry of order. So rotational symmetry is a symmetry. When you rotate this, you get the same shape again. So you can use tracing paper for that one. So let me show you how you can do that. So for using the tracing paper, you are just going to trace the shape as it is. So we have it here like this. So this is the shaded part. So let's say we start from here. Just put one, you can put a star like this here so that you can see. So one rotation, no shape same because shaded part comes here. Then next you get once the same shape, and then again no. Now when you come back again, so we are getting 2 times in 360's turn the same shape. So the rotational symmetry order is 2. Now on the diagram, draw all the lines of symmetry. Now we are talking about lines of symmetry. Line of symmetry is going to give 1 over here. So that is a line of reflection that gives the same image on both sides like this. Another one is going to be from other side. Okay, like if you fold this, you are going to get the same shape, right? Now number 2, a film lasts for 2 hours and 50 minutes. The film ends at 23:05. Find the time when the film starts. So 23:05, this is the ending time. So it was 2 hours and 50 minutes long. So we are going to subtract 2 hours and 50 minutes. So for that we need to have this is minutes. So this, if we borrow like 1 hour from here, this will become 60 here. So that means 65 minutes, and then there we have 22 hours. So the film is -2. We are going to subtract 2 hours and 50 minutes. So this is 1. So this is going to be 20:15. So that was the time when the film was started, or you can say 8:15 p.m. right? Now number 3, we have a cuboid here. Find the surface area of the cuboid. As you know that there are 6 faces. So area of one face is 2 L times length times width. Then there are 2 same surfaces. Two same surfaces there, faces there. So 2 times L, then 2 times width times length. So it's easy, length time width times, you do this, length times width times height, plus 2 times then h times L, like this. So just substitute the value 2 into, we can take 2 common. So length times width times height, and height times length. So 2 times this is 8 times 3 times 5 times 8. So in total we got here 158. So now the next one, let's see, question number 4. We have here that we are given v equals to u minus 9.8t. Find the value of v when u is 4 and t is 7. V is equal to u minus 9.8t. So u is 4 minus 9.8, t is minus 7. So 4 plus 9.8 times 7, it is 68.6. So that is 72.6 when you add this. Now number 5, simplify d power 8. This is division, so we are going to subtract the power, so d power 6 is the final answer. Now at the end of the day, the shopkeeper has 12 tins of cat food left. This is 3 by 13 of the number that he had in the beginning of the day. Calculate the number of tins he had at the beginning of the day. Let's say at the beginning of the day he has x number of what is that, tins, right? So that is 3 by 13 of x is equal to 12 tins, right? So it is 3 over 13 times x equals to 12, and x is going to be 12 times 13 over 3. 3 times 4, so this is 52 tins. So he had 52 tins before. Now number 7, we have here a spinner has 5 sides. Each side is painted red, blue, green, yellow or orange. Here we are given the table shows some of the probabilities of the spinner landing on each color. Complete the table. So you see we have left with the only one probability. So as you know that the sum of the probabilities is 1, so we are going to take, let's say this is x, so I'm going to add 0.3, 0.16, 0.18 and 0.25. So let's see how much is this one. So 0.3 plus 0.16 plus 0.18 plus 0.25. So we are subtracting this 0.89, subtract this from 1, 0.89, so this is 0.11, right? Now next one is Dan spins the spinner once. Find the probability that he spins lands on red or blue. So we are talking about red and blue. So let's add that probability. 0.3 is for red and for blue it is 0.16. In total it is 0.46. So that will be the final answer, right? Now here we have describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B from A to B. You can see this is a rotation. It's very clear. Rotation. Again you can use a tracing paper for that. So I have this one here. Again I'm using the from A onto B. So if I put, always start with 0, 0. If you put it 0, 0 and let's turn like this, so you see you get the same place where it is located. So it is a rotation and center is 0. We rotated once, that is 90 degrees, and it was clockwise, right? So 3 marks for that. Now question number 9, the distance time graph shows the information about K's journey from home to the office, right? So from home to office, calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour for K's journey from home to office, right? So we are going to find out here, calculate the average speed. Now you know that speed is equal to distance over time. That means total distance over total time. So total distance covered, you see from here to here it is in the middle, which is 65 kilometers, and time for the journey from home to office, it is let me see, from here to here, from 11 to 10 to 12, so this is 2 hours. So 65 over 2 hours, so this is 32.5 kilometer per hour. Okay, now when Kai arrives at office, he finds his meeting is cancelled. He immediately returns home at constant speed of 50 km per hour. So in 1 hour this is 1 hour here, right? Complete the distance time graph to show his journey. He's coming back from here. So in 1 hour he covers 50 kilometers. So 50 kilometers, this is 65, right? 65 and minus 50. So that means he will be at 15 kilometers in 1 hour. So 15 kilometers from here is, you see, this is 10, then this is 5. So he's supposed to be here at this time. 1 hour, sorry, 1 hour is here. 1 hour he's supposed to be at 15. He's supposed to cover at, I mean, what I'm saying, 65, he is at 65 kilometers and he is covering 50 kilometers in an hour. 1 hour he is here, so this is the line of 1 hour. He is covering 50 kilometers is from here. This is kilometer, so this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. He is supposed to be here at this point after an hour. So we are just going to join this, extend this line like this, just extend it more like this. Okay, so this is the return journey that he is taking place. Now let's see the next question. Okay, so question number 10, we have, without using a calculator, work out 5/11 over 12 divided plus 2 1 over 4. So 5 times 12, it is 5 times 12 plus 11. So this is 60 plus 11 is 71 over 12 plus 4 times 2 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4. Now we are going to make it like times 3 here, times 3 here, so that the denominator is same. So now this is 71 plus 9 times 3 is 27 divided by 12. So this is 98 divided by 12. So 98. Now I say write in mixed number and simplest form. So you're just going to divide 12 times 8 is 96, 2. So this is 8, 2 over 12. So this can be cancelled. 8, 1 over 6 is the final answer in the simplest form, right? Now number 11, we have given here the universal set. A, B, C, D, E, some elements are there, P is this one, Q is this one. Complete the Venn diagram. So first of all we need to see what is common in P and Q here. A is not there, B is not there, E is here and here, then G is also there, L is common. So these are the elements which are common, also R here, right? So we can write down these in the common part here, E, G, L and R. Sorry, this is T, not L, so this is not common. So E, G and R. Okay, so in P we have here left with A, B and L, and for Q we are left with M, O, T and Y, right? So that's it, nothing is remaining. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So all elements came over here. Now shade A dash, it's A dash complement B. A dash is the whole part here. Complement meaning you leave the part of B. So this part is going to be shaded here. Okay. Now question number 12, the position vectors of A is 5, 3. Position vector of A is 5, 3 and BA is 4A. Show that OB is equal to 5.1. So now OB will be OA. Let's say we have here, let's say this is vector A and this is B. A we have 5, 3, and B we have 4 and 8, right? So we are looking for OB, O to B. So O to B, going from O to B is OA plus AB, right? OA plus AB. Okay, OA is, position vector of OA is 5, 3 plus AB plus AB. B are given BA. So I'm just going to change the sign here. We can say here OA minus BA, right? So then minus 4 and 8. So when you calculate this, 5 minus 4 is 1 and this is negative 5. And we are looking for the magnitude of OB, right? So that is going to be 1 square minus 5 squared. It's done. Then it is 25. When you calculate this is 5.099. So approximately 5.1. That's what we need to prove over here. Okay. Now number 13. This is simply just plug in the values. I get here 0.83. 8.03. Now number 14, we have here 0.581 dot dot as a fraction. You must leave your working and give your answer in the simplest form. Now let's say we have x equals to 0.5818181. So 81 is repeating because there is a dot here. So now when you multiply it by, you can multiply it by 10. So when you multiply it by 10, this will become 5.81, then 81, like this. Then you are going to again we are not going to get the same, so now we multiply it by 100, not even 100 because we need 81. Multiply this by 1000 because we are going to get decimal here. So then this will become 581.8181. That's what we needed actually from here. Now we are going to subtract this. 1000 minus 10, we are subtracting this way. This is 990x. 5, this all is going to become 0 on right hand side. 581 minus 5 is 576. So x is 576 over 99. So this is when you write it into the simplest form, divide by, this is 288 divide by 3. So we have 495, then we have dividing by 3 again, it's 96 over 165. Again divide by 3, that gives you 32 divided by 55. So this is the final answer, right? Now number 15, the number of trees in a forest is decreasing exponentially at rate of 1.75 per year. 11 years ago there were 980 trees. Calculate the number of trees in the forest now. So we are looking for now. Previously it was 980. It decreased by 1.75%, that is over 100, and number of years is 11. So then it is 980. So 100 minus 1.75 over 100 power 11. So just plug in the values. You are going to get here 807.01, which is approximately 807, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you guys understood everything. I will wait for your comments in the comment section for the feedback. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.